Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making Kenji lópez-alt's garlic noodles. You're going to need 200 grams of noodles, 12 cloves of garlic, which we'll mince later, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and some green onions sliced up thinly. So we're going to start by mincing the garlic cloves. If you don't have the time or can't be bothered, definitely use minced garlic from a jar. Next, we're going to heat up some water so we can start boiling our noodles, and we're also going to heat up a fry pan and start melting our butter. What we're not going to do is turn on the other hot plate that we don't need and wait a couple of minutes and realise that you turned on the wrong hot plate. Once that butter is all nice and hot, we're going to throw in our minced garlic and let it cook until it is fragrant. If it starts going brown, we've gone too far. Once the garlic is smelling amazing, we're going to put the soy sauce, the fish sauce, and the oyster sauce in and give it a good mix. I have to say that I really enjoyed cooking this recipe. Our house smelled amazing for the afternoon. And also it was super fast and super easy. Like, the hardest part of this recipe was mincing the garlic, and if you used jarred minced garlic, you would cut down your work time in half easily. So definitely give it a try, especially for a work night dinner or during the week easy dinner if you don't have a lot of time. Now it's time to add the noodles. Make sure that you're getting a little bit of that cooking water in there as well to make that sauce a little bit thinned out and to grab the starch from the noodles as well. Also make sure everything's coated before you introduce our last 2 ingredients. Now it's time to add the Parmesan cheese and the spring onions. If you find that the cheese is clumped all together or that it's not melting in a really nice sauce way, grab a bit more of that noodle cooking water and that will fix the problem. Keep mixing until everything has smoothed out nicely and you can see that that Parmesan cheese has melted really well to make the sauce. Once the sauce looks like it has coated all the noodles and the spring onions and it's nice and smooth, so there's no lumps of the Parmesan cheese still in there, it is time to plate up. This was a super quick and easy recipe to cook, vegetarian friendly as well because there's no meat in it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're making noodle videos all through the month of November, including shorts reviewing instant noodles, so I hope you subscribe and hang around the channel to watch that. Thanks for watching.